Welcome to today's class. Today we will be discussing about monism and dualism. Right? So, monism and dualism are ontological positions, right? Ontology is what? The nature of reality. So, monism and dualism deal with how we view reality, right? What is the nature of reality? Monism is a type of reality, dualism is a type of reality. So, monism and dualism अगर हम कहीं देख रहे हैं, so what are these? These are related to ontological positions, right? So, it determines what? It determines the relationship between the mind and the body, right? Monism, it is based on two things. One is mind body relationship. What is the mind body relationship? And on the basis of that we see what do we understand by reality. हम reality को कैसे समझते हैं in terms of mind body relationship, right? तो monism means single, dualism means double, right? So dualism क्या है? पहले हम dualism देखते हैं. Dualism it was first articulated by René Descartes. So René Descartes जो हैं वो किसके लिए famous है? For dualism. What did he tell? He told that mind and body are two fundamentally different kind of substances. So now you have to understand here कि monism और dualism में जो mind body relationship है, यहाँ पे mind और body को substance माना गया है. ठीक है, these are considered as substance. मोनिज्म में हम एक सब्सटेंस पे फोकस करते हैं, डुअलिज्म में हम दोनों पे फोकस करते हैं. डुअलिज्म पहले डी फॉर डुअलिज्म, डी फॉर रेने डिकार्ट. तो रेने डिकार्ट ने क्या बोला कि माइंड और बॉडी जो है ये दो फंडामेंटली डिफरेंट. कैसे डिफरेंट है? स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरेंट है? नहीं. कैसे डिफरेंट है? फंडामेंटली डिफरेंट क्या है? सब्सटेंसेस हैं. ठीक है, तो इस डुअलिज्म को हम सब्सटेंस डुअलिज्म भी बोल सकते हैं. इसमें क्या क्या सब्सटेंसेस हैं? एक सब्सटेंस है माइंड, दूसरा सब्सटेंस है हमारा बॉडी. ठीक है, तो माइंड किस टाइप का सब्सटेंस है? माइंड है नॉन मटेरियल, राइट? माइंड कैसा है? थिंकिंग सब्सटेंस है. इट इज़ अ नॉन मटेरियल सब्सटेंस इज माइंड एंड द मटेरियल सब्सटेंस और मैटर इज बॉडी, right? So mind is non-material substance, thinking substance. Body is material substance which is governed by physical laws, right? So mind जो है it is responsible for thinking and consciousness, whereas हमारा body is governed by physical laws. ठीक है, सो दिस क्रिएट्स द क्लासिक माइंड बॉडी प्रॉब्लम. तो इसके लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ किया गया है. माइंड बॉडी रिलेशनशिप हम नहीं बोलेंगे. डुअलिज्म किसके साथ डील करता है? डुअलिज्म डील्स विद माइंड बॉडी प्रॉब्लम. तो माइंड बॉडी प्रॉब्लम, अब प्रॉब्लम आ गया. डोंट थिंक इट इज़ कि डुअलिज्म सॉल्व्स द माइंड बॉडी प्रॉब्लम. कोई प्रॉब्लम है और डुअलिज्म उसको सॉल्व करता है, नहीं. डुअलिज्म क्रिएट्स द माइंड बॉडी प्रॉब्लम, right? It creates the classic mind body problem, and it namely what are the two, and where mind and body are considered as two fundamentally different substances that interact with each other. अब उसका कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट है मोनिज्म. मोनिज्म क्या करता है? मोनिज्म ये असर्ट करता है दैट रियलिटी जो है, रियलिटी में इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ ओनली वन फंडामेंटल सब्सटेंस. ठीक है, इधर इट इज़ द माइंड और इट इज़ द बॉडी. तो इट इज़ सो व्हाट डज डुअलिज्म से? डुअलिज्म सेज दैट रियलिटी कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू फंडामेंटली different substances, that is mind and body, and it sees how it interacts with each other. And whereas monism says that reality consists of only one fundamental substance at one time, that is either the mind or the body, right? So monism is of now two types. It can be either materialist or physicalist monism, or it can be the idealist monism, right? So monism is of two types, materialistic or physical monism, idealistic monism. तो materialistic से ही आप जान सकते हो what is material? Body, right? So body means matter. So in materialistic or physicalist monism, it considers that reality is made up of only the matter. Reality is made of only the body, which is governed by physical laws. And ये तो रियलिटी है. तो माइंड का क्या रोल है इसमें? सो माइंड और मेंटल प्रोसेसेस जो है इट इज़ अल्टीमेटली ब्रेन प्रोसेसेस. सी, माइंड एंड ब्रेन आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. और मटेरियलिस्टिक और फिजिकलिस्ट मोनिज्म में इट कंसिडर्स दैट फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट ओनली मैटर और बॉडी एग्जिस्ट. सेकेंड, मेंटल प्रोसेसेस क्या है? दे आर ब्रेन प्रोसेसेस. एंड सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ मोनिज्म इज आइडियलिस्टिक मोनिज्म. आइडियलिस्टिक मोनिज्म में क्या बोल रहा है कि इट इज़ द रियलिटी कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली द माइंड और द कॉन्शियसनेस. right? And the idealistic monism किसका है? जैसे dualism is proposed by René Descartes, वैसे idealistic monism, not in monism as a whole, only the idealistic monism is seen in the philosophy of George Berkeley, right? Who says George Berkeley, he considers or he proposes idealistic monism, right? इन साइकोलॉजी अब हम देखते हैं डिफरेंट स्कूल्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी है, कौन सा मॉनिस्ट है, कौन सा डुअलिस्ट है. अगर हम बिहेवियरिज्म को देखें तो बिहेवियरिज्म में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? बिहेवियर इज इट माइंड? बिहेवियर इज नॉट माइंड, बिहेवियर इज लर्न मीन्स इट्स बॉडी, सो इट इज़ मटेरियलिस्ट, इट डज नॉट टेक इन टू कंसिडरेशन माइंड. कहीं पे भी बिहेवियरिज्म की थियोरी में नहीं है. सो इट इज़ वॉट? इट इज़ प्योरली मटेरियलिस्टिक मॉनिज्म. ठीक है, बट पहले कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था? पहले डुअलिज्म केम इनटू डिस्कशन. पहले तो फिलोसॉफिकल जो भी ट्रेडिशंस हैं, जो भी है, वॉट एवर वॉज डिस्कस, पहले डुअलिज्म वॉज डिस्कस्ड एंड देन मॉनिज्म वॉज डिस्कस्ड. सो दैट इज वाई वी फर्स्ट read about dualism and then we read about monism, right? So let us just now have a brief glance. Let us just now revise. So dualism, key thinker is René Descartes. Core idea is that mind and body are two fundamentally different substances. Fundamentally different. How they are different? Fundamentally different, not structurally different. And they are what? Substances. So this dualism can also be called as substance dualism. Two substances. Mind is which type of substance? Non-material substance, thinking substance. Which type of substance is body? Body is material substance or extended substance, right? And both of these substances, according to dualism, they interact with each other. How? René Descartes told that they interact via the pineal gland. ठीक है, dualism में René Descartes told that mind and body are two fundamental different substances. One is the thinking substance, one is the extended substance, one is the non-material, another is the material substance, and they both interact through the pineal gland. Monism, it states that reality consists of only one kind of substance. Either it is the mind or it's the body. So materialism monism या physicalist monism में it says that it is only the matter which exists. Material कौन सा है? Body, mind, matter. Only matter exists, and the mind is similar to the brain activity. The mental processes are the brain processes, right? And the modern neuroscience, modern हमारा जो neuroscience है, it is based on materialistic monism, right? Idealism states that what reality consists of only the mind or the consciousness, and it was idealistic monism was given by George Berkeley. Behaviorism is based on materialistic monism. Cognitive psychology is physicalism, ठीक है, या materialism, जिसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? that only your matter exists. ठीक है, माइंड मेंटल प्रोसेसेस और ब्रेन प्रोसेसेस. कॉग्निटिव साइकोलॉजी में हम ये देख रहे हैं. नॉन रिडक्टिव क्या है? नॉन रिडक्टिव मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट reduced to simply like SR theories or anything. It is not reduced to something. It is learned as a whole. So it is non-reductive materialism or physicalism. And the early philosophy of mind जो start हुआ था, early philosophical thinkers, they proposed dualism. ठीक है, उसमें dualism dominant था. So Descartes was a monist? No, he was a dualist. Materialism is a type of monism? Yes, materialism or physicalism and idealism are types of monism. Dualism solves the mind-body interaction problem? No, it does not solve it. I told you earlier also, it creates the mind-body problem. Now let us look at the statements and see if it is true or false. René Descartes proposed substance dualism. True. Dualism can also be called as substance dualism proposed by René Descartes. Dualism holds that mind and body are fundamentally two distinct substances. Right. Monism asserts that reality consists of two independent substances. No, reality consists of only one substance. Materialism is a type of monism. Correct. Idealism is a form of dualism. No, idealism is also a form of monism. According to dualism, mental events can be reduced completely to physical processes. No, this is non-reductionist. Mental events cannot be reduced. Property dualism accepts one substance but two kinds of properties. Right? This is true. Dualism एक का एक टाइप है property dualism. Property dualism क्या बोलता है कि एक substance है but उसके दो kind of properties हैं, तो that is property dualism. माइंड बॉडी इंटरेक्शन प्रॉब्लम अराइजेज मेनली इन डुअलिज्म. यस, डुअलिज्म में माइंड बॉडी इंटरेक्शन देखते हैं बिकॉज दो एग्जिस्ट हो रहे हैं, तो दोनों जब एग्जिस्ट हो रहे हैं तो इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. कैसे? वाया द पीनियल ग्लैंड. यही डिस्कस हुआ डुअलिज्म में. बिहेवियरिज्म इज फिलोसॉफिकल अलाइनमेंट मटेरियलिस्टिक मोनिज्म. यस, भी कैसे याद रखोगे? बिहेवियर में इट इज़ ओनली बिहेवियर, इट इज़ नॉट माइंड, तो मोनिस्ट हो गया. फिर बिहेवियर जो है आउटवर्ड है, बॉडी का है, तो मटेरियलिस्ट हो गया, तो मटेरियलिस्टिक मोनिज्म. In materialistic monism, consciousness is considered independent of the brain. No, the mental processes are considered similar to the brain processes in materialistic monism. George Berkeley supported idealistic monism. Correct. Idealistic monism holds that only physical matter is real. No, it says that mind or consciousness is real in idealistic. Dualism supports the view that mental processes are non-physical. That is true. Monism eliminates the interaction problem by positing only one substance. True, monism में एक substance है तो interaction कैसे होगा? Descartes believed the mind and body were identical in nature. No, mind and body are not identical. They are two fundamentally different substances. Physicalism and materialism are closely related forms of monism. Correct, they are closely related. Dualism denies the existence of consciousness. Dualism denies the existence of consciousness. No, it does not deny the existence of consciousness. It says that two types of substances, that is the consciousness in the mind and the body, both of them exist, right? Monism can either be materialistic or idealistic. Correct. Dualism is consistent with the view that mind and body are ontologically separate. Yes, epistemologically not separate. This dualism, monism, it is how how reality is perceived. It is about the nature of reality. So it is ontologically separate, right? So these are all ontological positions. Neuroscience largely supports dualism. No, the modern neuroscience is based on materialistic monism, right? So just this final line where we can sum up the concept of dualism and monism, that is, dualism holds that mind and body are separate substances, whereas monism asserts that reality consists of only one substance, either material or mental. So that's all for today's class. Next class we'll discuss about determinism and free will. Thank you.